Assalamu alaikum and hello to all of my students. We are discussing the new areas of AFM. In the first lecture, I covered IPO, Dutch auction, in direct listing, and SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. That was the first lecture. Very important was the first lecture. Second, ESG, environmental, social, and governance. And this is the third lecture on green financing. Only after this, just one tiny area will be left, how to value a loss-making companies. That is also a new area. In the next test, after this lecture, whatever the lecture comes, inshallah, in that lecture, I'll cover uh, the last remaining new area of AFM also, how to value a loss-making company. Right now, let's discuss on this green finance. Again, the same thing. The term green finance itself is not new. It is new only for AFM. Actually, the objective behind this topic is very simple. Now, as everybody knows that the whole world has become a global village. Okay. Uh, like I'm recording this lecture in Pakistan, in Karachi. This is heard in, mashallah, in number of countries. That is just because of the global concept of the global village. So now what is actually happening? Now businesses, they're not supposed to just make an investment in a project which is giving the positive NPV. Before opting that project, you need to make sure that after making investment in this project, what environmental benefits company and the society will actually achieve. Because there is a possibility that NPV of the project is positive, financially it is very good, but if it is going to damage the environment, so it means it's not an environmentally friendly project. So green financing means you are getting a loan. Actually, for those projects, they are environmentally friendly projects. So now the basically investors, it could be individual and even the financial institutions, they really want to make investment, but they want to make investment in those organizations, shares, where they believe that those organizations, they are involved in activities which are beneficial for the environment. So this is the basic concept of this green finance. So green finance refers to financial products, services, and investment that focus on supporting environmentally sustainable activities. It aims to direct capital towards project that promote climate change mitigation, resources efficiency, clean energy, and ecological conservation, means simply save the environment. The purpose of green finance is to ensure that economic growth is coupled with what? Positive environmental outcome. As we discussed, you're not supposed to just make an investment in a project because of the positive NPV. You need to check what are the impact of that, what impact that project will have on the environment also. Examples of green finance instruments: green loans, which are given to you for environmentally friendly projects. Green loans are financial products specifically designed to fund environmentally friendly projects or activities. These projects could include renewable energy installation, energy efficiency, building construction, sustainable XYZ. Sustainability linked loans, basically when you are making investment in an environmentally friendly project, so there should not be a one-off benefit. So the environment, the society should keep getting the benefits. Sustainability linked loans incentivize borrowers to improve their sustainability performance by linking the loan terms to predefined sustainable targets and sustainability targets. That's very important. You really want to take loan. So basically the loan terms, they will be with reference to the predefined sustainability targets. If the borrower achieves targets, they may get subsidized loan in the future and other financial benefits. Green bonds. Simply whenever an organization raises the whenever an organization issues green bonds, it means they really want to make investment in those projects. They are environmentally friendly projects. Green bonds are debt instrument issued by the organization, could be companies or government, to raise capital for environmentally focused project. Green funds. Basically, green funds means just these are organizations. What do they do? They actually raise finance from individuals and financial institutions, and then what do? After raising the finance from individuals as well as financial institutions, then they make investment in those organizations shares they are having environmental friendly projects, environmental friendly activities. And the objective is actually green funds investment vehicles. They provide opportunity to the individuals as well as financial institutions to make investment in those organizations. They have well diversified environmental friendly projects. Green funds investment vehicles that pool together capital from multiple investors to finance green projects or to invest in companies with strong environmental credentials. These funds provide opportunities to individuals as well as institutions to invest in companies they have a diversified environmentally projects. Now listen, if in exam you find a 5 marks question which says what is green finance, so the first paragraph this actually covers what is green finance. So actually what is green finance? It is covered in the first paragraph, and if the question goes for 5 marks, then you just explain what is green finance and also give the example of green finance instruments. Okay. Now this is something in addition to that, that is green loan principles. This is separate topic. Green loan principles. So what are the principles of the green loans? The green loan principles provide a framework for promoting integrity, that is honesty, transparency in the green loan market. They guide lenders and borrowers in structuring and administrating the green loans. Actually, there should be honesty and transparency when you are taking loan from the green market. The GLP, green market, means basically you are getting loan from the, let's say, any XYZ government department. Second, you're getting, let's say, there is a possibility that number of banks might be involved giving you the green loan. The GLP emphasizes the importance of clearly identifying the use of proceeds, ensuring environmental impact assessment, and reporting on the environmental benefit achieved. These principles help maintaining credibility and consistency in green lending practices. Actually, now everybody wants that when you are taking loan for environmentally friendly projects, then make sure those environmentally friendly projects should provide benefit to the environment, to the society. Usage of proceed. When you're taking a green loan, this involves providing detailed information on how the funds will be utilized to finance or refinance green projects. Proceeds of projects evaluation and selection. Under the GLP, borrowers and lenders are encouraged to establish a robust process for evaluating, selecting eligible green projects with a project funded by the green loan. Deliver tangible environmental benefit and contribute to the sustainable development. For example, setting evaluation criteria, performing due diligence on the project, seeking industry certification standard, this. Management of proceeds. The GLP emphasizes the need for effective tracking and management of the proceeds throughout the loan life cycle. For example, establishing a dedicated account to hold the proceed from the green, that is loan. Implementing a robust, basically everybody wants, when you have taken the green loan, make sure the objective should be achieved. Reporting. Borrowers are encouraged to provide regular updated and disclosures on the environmental benefits achieved, including relevant performance indicators. So simply that is all about green finance. I think this is good enough, whatever we have discussed, for 8 to 10 marks. There's more than enough. There's no need to do any other research. If you really want to contact Abil School of Accountancy admin, ASA admin, let me give you the WhatsApp number. That is, WhatsApp number is 0092 333 3666 214. That is ASA WhatsApp number. In AFM, actually, we are conducting 13 tests and proper dedicated mock as well. You'll be getting each and everything. So this is the WhatsApp number you want to get. If you want any queries, you can always contact on WhatsApp number. So that is all about green financing. Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will discuss how to value a loss-making companies. So thank you very much watching this lecture. Have a nice life.